Hi everyone. Did you know minority-owned businesses are growing 8 times faster than non-minority-owned businesses? There are 8 million of them generating an incredible $2 trillion in annual receipts. Welcome to the Commercial Pulse update for February the 25th. Let's start with the economic conditions affecting all small businesses right now. There are growing crosswinds pushing businesses in different directions. Inflation continues its upward climb to 3%, and that's the fourth monthly increase in a row, putting the pressure on business costs and consumer spending. On the employment front, we're seeing a mix of signals. While unemployment holds steady at a strong 4%, job creation has dropped by more than half, from 307,000 jobs in December to just 143,000 jobs in January. What does this mean for businesses? They're still finding it challenging to hire, but they're becoming more cautious about expansion. Consumer spending tells a similar story. January saw the biggest monthly drop in retail sales since March of 2023, down 0.9%, but there is a silver lining. Year-over-year sales are still up by 4.2%. Consumers haven't completely stopped spending, they're just becoming more selective. And we can see this economic uncertainty show up clearly in our small business index, currently at 40.5, down from 42.9 last month. It reflects the challenging credit environment many businesses face. Think of it as a credit health check for America's small businesses. And right now, they're feeling the pressure. But with these challenges, there's a remarkable story of growth. Let me tell you what's happening with minority-owned businesses across America. Minority-owned small businesses are one of the fastest growing segments of the US economy. Between 2014 and 2019, the number of minority-owned businesses grew by 35%, far outpacing the 4.5% growth seen in non-minority-owned businesses. Today, over 8 million minority-owned businesses contribute more than $2 trillion in annual receipts. And while overall business optimism has dipped slightly, minority business owners are showing extraordinary resilience. They're not just surviving, they're actively expanding. According to Bank of America, 41% are seeking new credit funding, 35% growth in just 5 years, expanding into high-growth sectors like technology and healthcare. But where we see a disconnect, despite this impressive growth, we see a real need for capital with these rapidly growing businesses and an evident gap in the amount of funding granted. Despite representing 41% of new commercial accounts, and that's up from 37% in 2021, these firms have a growing need for access to capital. These businesses face a significant funding gap. They receive up to 37% less credit across most lending products. And here's the crucial point. This isn't due to higher risk. The data shows comparable risk levels between minority and non-minority owned businesses. Interestingly, they do have higher business lease amounts due to the industry sectors that tend to be minority owned, such as retail, construction, and accommodation and food services. In fact, when we look at the credit performance, the numbers tell a clear story. There's no significant difference in commercial credit risk between these groups. Here's the opportunity. We have a rapidly growing segment of businesses, proven credit performance, and unmet capital needs. For lenders, this represents a chance to tap into one of the most dynamic sectors of the American economy. And there's a lot more insights on minority-owned small businesses in this week's Commercial Pulse report. If you're looking for deeper insights into small business trends, visit our Commercial Insights Hub. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more updates and expert insights, reach out to your Experian account team to start a conversation on how these insights can help you in your business. That's it for this update. Stay informed, stay ahead, and keep watching. We'll see you on the next one.